Can you withdraw from Newton? Intro. Hey there, you've just invested a significant sum in Newton, a popular investment platform. Suddenly, you need the money urgently. Can you withdraw it easily? Or are you trapped in a financial maze? Hook. Today, we're diving deep into the question, can you withdraw from Newton? Let's find out. Building context. Newton has gained immense popularity in recent years, offering a user-friendly platform for individuals to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. But with this popularity comes a common question: what happens when you want your money back? Understanding withdrawal processes. To answer this question, let's break down the withdrawal process step by step. Initiating the withdrawal request. Log into your Newton account. Navigate to the Withdraw or Cash Out section. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your preferred withdrawal method, e.g., bank transfer, cryptocurrency. Verification and security. Newton may implement additional security measures to verify your identity. This could involve providing documentation or completing two-factor authentication. These steps are essential to protect your funds and prevent unauthorized withdrawals. Processing time. Once your withdrawal request is verified, Newton will process it. The processing time can vary depending on factors such as the withdrawal method and the platform's workload. Generally, expect a processing time of a few business days. Withdrawal fees. Some platforms may charge withdrawal fees. It's crucial to check Newton's fee structure to avoid any unexpected costs. Consider the fees in relation to the amount you're withdrawing to determine if they're reasonable. Special considerations. While the general withdrawal process is straightforward, there are a few special considerations to keep in mind. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Newton might have minimum withdrawal amounts. If you want to withdraw a smaller amount, you might need to accumulate funds until you reach the minimum threshold. Market volatility. If you're withdrawing during a period of market volatility, the value of your investments might fluctuate. Consider timing your withdrawal strategically to minimize potential losses. Tax implications. Be aware of the tax implications of withdrawing your investments. Consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to understand your tax obligations. Real-life examples. To provide a clearer understanding, let's explore some real-life examples of individuals who have withdrawn from Newton. Example 1. A user who successfully withdrew funds for a down payment on a house. Example 2. A user who faced a minor delay in their withdrawal due to a technical issue. Example 3. A user who incurred withdrawal fees but found them to be reasonable given the circumstances. Frequently asked questions. Let's address some common questions about withdrawing from Newton. Question 1. Can I withdraw my funds immediately? Question 2. Are there any hidden fees associated with withdrawals? Question 3. What should I do if I encounter issues with my withdrawal? Conclusion. So, can you withdraw from Newton? The answer is yes, but there are specific procedures and considerations to be aware of. By understanding the withdrawal process, fees, and potential challenges, you can make informed decisions about your investments and ensure a smooth withdrawal experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.